Hello, my name is Matthew. I'm going to present you a traditional English recipe named the very chocolatey cake. First, you must wash your hands before baking. Now, the ingredients. 3 eggs. You need 3 eggs, 7 ounces of caster sugar, what equals 200 grams, 7 ounces of butter, 7 ounces of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And finally, you need 100 grams of chocolate drops, what equals 3.5 ounces. I chose this chocolate cake because I love chocolate and because it's a easy making yummy cake. The recipe. First, switch the oven onto 160 degrees Celsius. Second, break the eggs and put them into a large bowl. Third, put the caster sugar in a bowl and weigh them into 7 ounces. Fourth, put 7 ounces of butter and weigh them. Then cut the butter into small pieces and add them to the bowl. And put them in the bowl. Fifth, weigh 7 ounces of flour and add them to the bowl. Then sift over the flour in the bowl. Sixth, put the baking powder in the bowl. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. After, put 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder in the bowl. Seventh, beat everything together using a whisk. Eighth, add the chocolate 3.5 ounces of chocolate drops in the mixture. Then put the mixture in a tin and bake it for 25 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. You see, it's an easy recipe. Enjoy! Third, put the caster sugar in a bowl and weigh them into 7 ounces. Fourth, put 7 ounces of butter and weigh them. Second, break the 3 eggs into a large bowl. Second, break the eggs and put them into a large bowl. Second, break the eggs and put them into a large bowl.